Oh, I need to tighten that up. Have I turned that off? Oh, I need to go from there. Hello, good evening and welcome to Hlspwns World YouTube channel. I'm just out in the car at the minute, going to get some evening food. So I didn't finish work till quite late this evening. I did do a midweek video, but I wasn't happy with it. I did try and start editing it last night, but I didn't think it worked really. It was basically to say thank you to you, all you guys and girls out there who have subscribed to the channel. Passing 200 subscribers is only a small amount, but it is a milestone for any YouTube channel. I am absolutely chuffed to have made 200 subscribers. Certainly when I started out, I didn't even expect that many. Obviously hoping for more. When I started YouTube, I got monetized fairly quickly, and I was hoping to gain quite some success from it, but since YouTube has moved the goalposts, starting as a small channel and keeping monetized and keeping popular is harder than ever. Now I appreciate I'm only doing videos at the minute and my frequency isn't every day. I've explained enough on the channel why trying to get a video done every day isn't quite feasible for me at the minute, but all the time I'm not on the camera, I'm thinking about the channel, I'm thinking about videos to do. I have so many content ideas, my problem is getting them out of my head onto the camera, edited and out to you guys. That's where I need to perhaps put more effort, or at least have more time to do. But I enjoy every minute of it, and I really want to say thank you very much, because without you guys and girls, none of this would be possible. Thank you very much, and I'm going to go back and have another look at the video I did midweek. I don't know. To me, it didn't fit what I wanted it to do, so I'm going to look at that. Maybe chop it up, maybe get something from it, I don't know yet. But do keep watching, do keep liking, and do keep subscribing. And I will see you pretty soon in a lot more videos to come. As ever, again, thank you, and thank you for making me 200 subscribers. Right, that's me done. Peace out.